In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of generative AI, where opportunities abound for businesses to thrive and prosper. Let's explore how you can leverage generative AI for maximum business impact. Generative AI is not just a cutting-edge technology, it's also a multi-billion-dollar opportunity for businesses across various industries. As this technology evolves, we'll witness both winners and losers emerging. So the question is, how can your business become a winner in this AI revolution? To succeed, it's crucial to identify where your business falls within the generative AI spectrum. There are three primary categories. 1. Businesses that use public models with minimum customization at a lower cost. 2. Companies integrating existing models with internal systems for more customized results, ideal for scaling AI capabilities. And 3. Enterprises that invest in developing unique foundation models for specific business cases requiring substantial investment. Identify your category early on to act accordingly and seize the right opportunities. Example 1. Businesses that use public models with minimum customization at a lower cost. A marketing agency wants to enhance its content creation process. They utilize a publicly available generative AI model to generate creative and engaging social media posts. The agency can input basic instructions, such as target audience and tone, into the model and receive various content options in return. By leveraging this public model, the agency can save time and resources, focusing on other core business activities. Example 2. Companies integrating existing models with internal systems for more customized results, ideal for scaling AI capabilities. A fashion e-commerce platform wants to improve its product recommendation system. They integrate a pre-trained generative AI model into their recommendation engine and then fine-tune it using the historical customer data. This helps the model understand unique custom preferences, resulting in more accurate and personalized product suggestions. As the platform expands its offerings and customer base, the integrated AI system scales seamlessly to accommodate the growing data and user interactions. Example 3. Enterprises that invest in developing unique foundation models for specific business cases requiring substantial investment. An autonomous vehicle company aiming to revolutionize transportation. Developing state-of-the-art AI models for self-driving cars is crucial to their success. They assemble a team of experts, including AI researchers, data scientists, and engineers, to design a proprietary generative AI model tailored to handle the complexities of autonomous driving. While the initial investment is significant, the company gains a competitive edge with a cutting-edge and proprietary AI solution that aligns perfectly with their business objectives. To implement generative AI successfully, you need a strong cross-functional AI platform team. They'll develop a strategic approach to tool and service selection while upskilling key roles within your organization. Upgrade your enterprise tech architecture to accommodate generative AI models alongside existing AI models, apps, and data sources. This harmonization ensures a seamless workflow. Additionally, upskill your tech roles like software developers, data engineers, MLOps engineers, ethical and security experts, and even the broader non-tech workforce to stay ahead in the AI game. Keep in mind, new opportunities come with new risks. Assess and have ongoing mitigation practices in place to manage models, data, and policies effectively. And there you have it, your guide to leveraging generative AI for maximum business impact. Remember, the AI revolution is underway, and by following these steps, your business can position itself as a winner in this multi-billion-dollar opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI insights. If you want more information on AI topics, let us know in the comments so we can include it in our content creation. Of course, we would also love to hear your thoughts on this video. Stay curious and stay ahead in the AI game. Thanks for watching and see you next time.